Hey, is how to block someone on Snapchat. There are two ways how you can do it. So first I will show you through the chats. So basically you want to block someone from your chats. You should tap on exact profile that you want to block. It's my specific case. I want, for example, block Jara. I just tap on his chat and tap on his profile name over here. Then you should tap the dots at the top right corner of the screen, then tap on Manager Friendship and then block. And confirm it, block. Alright, it's a first step. Second, that you can do, it's block from your friend list. So you need go to your profile icon. So basically go to your profile, tap on profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're here, you should scroll down and you will see option My Friends. Proceed to it. From your friends list, you can select one of them who you want to block, for example, this one person. Then tap on his profile name at the top. Then again tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Manager Friendship and then tap Block and then again tap Block. So to unblock your friends, blocked accounts, you should go to your profile at the top left corner of the screen. So basically go to your profile, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down until you find blocked accounts, blocked users over here. It's in privacy controls. So proceed to blocked users and you will see a list of blocked accounts. To unblock one of them or all, you just need to next this specific account, tap on cross sign and then tap yes. And one by one you can unblock them.